Hello, everyone, and welcome to the next episode of Fashion Illustration. As we were discussing earlier, we did lines and shapes. So, our second episode is about block figures. So, let me tell you something about block figures first of all. You must have learned how to build blocks in your childhood. Same way, we are building blocks, but we are making figure out of blocks, a female figure. There are various views when we talk about in block figure also. That is front view as we are doing today. Then we have back view and 3/4 view and side view as per records. So today I'm going to tell you about front view block figure. The length of the block figure is for about 10.5 inches. In fashion terminology, we say 10.5 heads. 10 inches means 10 heads. A figure is made up of 10 human heads, as you can see here. So, let's begin. To prepare a block figure, first of all, start by drawing a 10.5 inches line. आप एक line draw करिए 10.5 inches की. Then equally divide this line starting from 0. आप 0 फर्स्ट लाइन को नंबर दीजिए और उसे 1 इंचेस में डिवाइड कर दीजिए. डिवाइड द एंटायर लाइन इनटू द गैप्स ऑफ 1 इंचेस एंड नंबर इट 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and last would be 10.5. As you can see, I have shown you few images when we started this image. And there you have already seen that the human figure is being divided into two parts. Like अगर आपने कभी notice करा हो हमारी body के दो हिस्से होते हैं. अगर हम एक line draw कर दे, if we draw a line in between, so whatever it is there in your left side is on your right side. Like if you have an eye on your right side, you have second eye on your left side on the same space, same distance. You have arm on right side, you have arm on left side, foot on left side, then right side. So equally division. So we have created a line. We've drawn a line of 10.5 inches. हमने उन्हें equally divide करा 1 inches के gap पर और उन्हें number दिया 0 से start होके 10.5 inches तक. Okay. Now, you just have to keep in mind whatever we do on the right side, we have to automatically draw the same measurements on the left side. So, let's begin from 0. So, from point 0, go half inches on your right side and half inches on your left side. Come to the first point, go again half inches on your right side and half inches on your left side. Then you can see this arrow going down. So this means आपको नीचे कितना जाना है, how down you have to go. So you have to go half inches down from this point. So that means half inches down from the point 1 will give you neck. Then go 1/4 inches on your right side and then left side. Then जब हम नीचे आए हैं half inches, तो वहां से भी move 1/4 inches on your right and 1/4 inches on your left. हमारी बॉडी के सारे हिस्से जुड़े हुए होते हैं. Our body parts are connected from one to another. There will be no gap. अगर यहाँ सर है, you have your head here, then neck is attached to your head, then shoulders, then waist, hip, सब जुड़ा हुआ है. Everything is connected to each other. So please don't give any gaps. आ जाते हैं सीधा हमने अभी इन सबको आप जोड़ते जाइए, एक ब्लॉक बनाते जाइए. जस्ट combine them and join them every part, join every block. So when you reach half inches down and moved 1/4 inches on your right, 1/4 inches on your left, then again 1/4 inches on your left and 1/4 inches on your right. From that point, move again this small point, you can see small down. So this is 1/4 inches. You have to move 1/4 inches down again. So mark a point here at 1/4 inches. Then go 3/4 inches on your right, 3/4 inches on your left. अब 3/4 inches क्या होता है? What is 3/4 inches? 3/4 inches is half plus 1/4. Half plus 1/4 gives you 3/4. Okay. So 3/4 on your right, 3/4 on your left. Fine. Then from after this, come straight to the third point. This is our third point. You can see third point. From third point, again we can see a arrow going down. It's written half inches down from third point. Here. यहाँ हम नीचे आ गए. We've come down from third point, half inches down. So move half inches on your right and half inches on your left. That will give your waist. This will be your waist. Then come again half inches down from fourth point. So ये fourth point आप देख पा रहे हैं. Can you see this fourth point? Move half inches down again and go 3/4 inches on your right and 3/4 inches on your left, which will give you hip. Okay? We always say hip is equal to shoulder. So you can see shoulder was also 3/4 and hip is also 3/4. Get it? After this, come straight to the last point. Come last point at 10.5 inches. Move half inches on your right and half inches on your left. Then come up. Now, abhi tak we are moving down. So far we were moving down. Now you have to move up. Move half inches up. That means to the 10th point. Come to the 10th point. From that 10th point, move 1/4 inches right and 1/4 inches left. And join every point. Join everything. Last, when we have to draw hand. Hand is a very important part. When you have to draw hands in the end, always. This will make your sketch properly. So हम hands जो है हमेशा last में बनाएंगे. That would be easy. Bust भी बाद में बनाएंगे. आप सोच रहे होंगे why haven't I used bust? Bust we are going to draw in the last, in the end. So I have not discussed it yet. मैंने अभी उसके बारे में कोई बात नहीं करी है. Get it? So hands, when we have to draw hands, keep in mind, have you ever noticed your hand always start from the shoulder, this point. तो जो ऊपर वाला ये हिस्सा होता है ये shoulder से start होता है. This outer layer of your hand starts from the shoulder point. And the second half starts from the inside, from here. So to take, and just to make a guess, just to judge your arm, what you do, just check, just make a point wherever your elbow, this is your elbow. It is a saying, wherever your elbow touches is your waist, is your half of your hand. लाइक यू कैन ऑलवेज नोटिस, जब भी आपकी एल्बो जहां भी टच करती है वो आपकी वेस्ट होती है. वेरेवर योर एल्बो टचेस इज योर वेस्ट. तो हम क्या करेंगे, शोल्डर पॉइंट से, टिप से वेस्ट तक का मेजरमेंट ले लेंगे, इस हिस्से को नाप लेंगे. तो ये तकरीबन जो आता है ये आता है 1/3 इंचेस. 1/3 इंचेस. तो यानी कि ये हिस्सा जो आया ये आया 1/3 इंचेस. ठीक है, 1/3 इंचेस हम इसको बनाएंगे. तो ये वाला हिस्सा जो होता है ये बाहर का हिस्सा भी उतना ही होता है. अभी हम पाम की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो ये 1/4, आधा है हाथ जो है, हाफ ऑफ योर हैंड इज 1/3 इंचेस, यानी कि 1 इंच प्लस 3/4 इंच, 1/3 इंच. फिर दूसरा हिस्सा भी, आउटर हाथ जो है, हाफ हैंड जो है आपका, वो भी 1/3 इंचेस है. द अदर हाफ हैंड of yours is also 1/3 inches. But you can see the outer layer of the hand is starting from the shoulder point. But the inner hand is not starting from the tip. So again you have to take the measurement from your this point till waist. So automatically this will give you the inner hand. And this is somewhere approximately 1/4 inches. The outer hand is 1/3 inches. Inner hand is 1/4 inches. यानी कि 1 इंच, 1 इंच और 1/4 इंच. 1 इंच then 1/4 inches. लेकिन ये वाला हिस्सा जो है पूरा उतना ही नजर आ रहा है. You can see the half hand. The same you can see the outer hand. So this is also 1/3 inches. For palm, go half inches here, half inches here, and this will be randomly joined. इसको आप इसी तरह से join कर दे बस. तो ये आपका hand बन जाएगा. ठीक है. Then उसके बाद में last में we'll be making bust. So for bust, शोल्डर के सेंटर पॉइंट से, ये जो शोल्डर का सेंटर पॉइंट था, लाइन है, यहां से हाफ इंचेस डाउन आ जाइए. हाफ इंचेस ऑन योर राइट, हाफ इंचेस ऑन योर लेफ्ट. और ये जो दोनों एरो है ना, इनको बस इसी तरह से रैंडमली बना दो, जस्ट फॉर एन आइडिया. 7th पॉइंट जो है आपका, यहां पर आपकी नी होती है. 7th पॉइंट पे डॉटेड लाइंस के साथ नी मार्क कर दो. ये सारे आपके स्पेसिफिकेशंस हैं. पहले आपने हेड ब्लॉक बनाया, देन नेक ब्लॉक बनाया, देन शोल्डर ब्लॉक, बस्ट, वेस्ट, 4.5 इंचेस पे हिप, 7th पॉइंट पे नी, 10 इंचेस पे एंकल, 10.5 इंचेस पे फुट. So this is your female block figure front view, 10.5 inches. Hope you understood it. And if you don't, please give your comments on the comment section. I will help you out with that. Thank you.